Family and personal problems feature in today's readings. The envy of his twin brother forced Jacob to flee for his life, and Jesus responds to a family tragedy, the death of the synagogue leader's daughter. Repeatedly, biblical religion has to do with the needs and crises of people in everyday life. The ancient sanctuary of Bethel, in Hebrew, house of God, is linked to Jacob's flight from his brother Esau, and with the exhausted Jacob's need for sleep. It was already a shrine, but its sacred character is reinterpreted due to Jacob's dream. Sibling rivalry can cause serious problems in any family. Jacob had stolen the blessing of the firstborn from his blind father Isaac. Worse still, he was helped in this by his mother Rebekah, who favored Jacob over her more uncouth son Esau. When Esau wanted for revenge, Jacob had to flee to the place where Abraham had not wanted his offspring to go. The setting for Jacob's dream of angels and for God's renewal of covenantal promises was hardly the tranquil sanctuary it later became. In today's gospel, two people approached Jesus with two quite different needs. One was a synagogue official who came on behalf of his daughter, and the other a woman who came on her own behalf. Their ways of approaching him are quite different. The synagogue official came quite publicly and spoke aloud his need and his request. The woman came secretly, touching the fringe of Jesus' cloak and speaking only to herself. Our own approach to the Lord always has a quality unique to each of us, as individual as our way of relating to other people. Both the synagogue official and the woman were people of faith, but they expressed their faith differently. Our faith brings us together as a community, but it does not suppress our individuality. Jesus responded warmly to both the synagogue official and the woman. He was equally responsive to their need and their cry for help. The Lord's response to us is always measured to the way we approach Him. That I may continue to approach the Lord at each and every moment of my life, let's pray for this grace for one another.